Hello friends, Iceberg out of Dillon Brothers Harley Davidson. Today I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of the 2023 120th Anniversary Street Glide. We're going to start with the engine on this Street Glide, where you have the Milwaukee-Eight 114. This is a very powerful engine on this motorcycle, definitely going to be able to do interstate speeds all day long and also be able to do the cross-country road trips on this touring motorcycle. Let's move inside the dash here, the famous Bat Wing Street Glide dash, where you do have the Boom GTS audio system. You're gonna be able to get full navigation through there, sync your phone up through it so you can get your texts and all your information and roll any kind of tunes that you want through here. Only good music, please. You know what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and talk about how this bike looks. This is an amazing paint job on this 120th anniversary. As you may or may not know, only 1,500 of these have been made. This number on this motorcycle is 1235 out of 1,500. I myself am very fortunate to own a numbered Harley Davidson. I just picked up a 2006 Dyna Super Glide 35th Anniversary Edition, and on that bike there was only 3,500 made. So I can speak to how it feels, and you kind of get that special attachment with that Harley of owning a numbered motorcycle. But let's get back and talk about the rich red on this bike with the very nice. I love the badge on this motorcycle. That gold badge sitting out there, just playing off that really rich red on here. And then of course, engine blacked out, exhaust blacked out, forks blacked out. Everything blacked out except for the paint, making that red really pop off the motorcycle. And then of course, I am a huge fan of the bronze cast rims on here as well, just playing off all that and kind of flowing with that gold badge on the tank. Of course, this is a two-up ready motorcycle right out of the crate. You have the very nice Harley Davidson seat on here. It's got some beautiful stitching working through there with a little bit of that red and then gold stitching as well to, of course, complement the rest of the color on the motorcycle. Nice Harley Davidson right here inlaid on there. And then, of course, moving back, you do have the hardware for a quick detach rider backrest as well. You can talk to our parts guys. I'm sure they can take care of you on that. We are very fortunate here at Dillon Brothers to have two of these limited edition 120th anniversary Street Glides in stock. And if you would like to see them up close and in person, please stop out at Dillon Brothers Harley Davidson today. Come talk to any of our sales staff. They are all happy to help you out. And as always, from the entire Dillon Brothers Harley Davidson family, thank you so much for checking out our videos. And always remember, gear up, ride safe. Thanks a lot.
Dillon Brothers. Grab your freedom. Come on, let's ride.